Becca, Registered Dietitian at Form, and I am here to tell you today how to cut your food prep time in half. And how I do that is with my secret weapon, the Mandolin. If you don't know what a Mandolin is, it's a food prep tool. You can buy them anywhere for $20 to $40. And they come with different blades. So there's different slicing and grating sizes that help you make zucchini noodles, julienne carrots, make apple chips. You can do so many things with a Mandolin. Today, I am slicing an onion that I will be pickling later to make some tacos. So you can see that I got a large straight across blade, and I am just slowly moving my onion across the blade. From the top, it doesn't look like much is happening, but as you can see, the onions are coming out below in a beautiful, thinly sliced onion. It takes way less time than hand chopping or hand slicing everything. And what's really nice about mandolins is they're super compact. I just put this lid right on top, all of the blades fit inside it. Fits right in my pantry really easily. So to me, this is something that everyone needs in their kitchen. What are you waiting for? Make your food prep dreams come true and go get yourself a mandolin.